Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product that has been getting a lot of attention online recently, the Coellyo pH lipstick. You may have seen advertisements claiming that this lipstick can read your body's pH level and instantly create a unique shade that perfectly matches you. The product is promoted as a revolutionary beauty item that adapts to your natural chemistry to produce your one-of-a-kind lip color. According to the marketing, it also hydrates and nourishes your lips with a clean, vegan, cruelty-free formula. The brand says it won't dry or crack like regular lipsticks and can stay on for more than 8 hours. Another bold claim is that this single tube can flatter every skin tone and even replace more than 10 different lipstick shades. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's go over some things you should know before deciding to buy this product. One of the first concerns is the claim about creating a personalized shade. The lipstick is marketed as if it uses advanced technology to read your body chemistry and produce a custom color. In reality, most pH-reactive lipsticks work in a very simple way. They react with moisture on the lips and typically turn into a similar pink or coral shade for most users, so the result is usually not truly personalized. Another thing to keep in mind is that pH-changing lipstick is not new technology. These types of cosmetics have existed in the beauty industry for many years. Presenting it as a revolutionary or groundbreaking innovation can be misleading because the concept has been around for decades. There are also several exaggerated marketing claims. Statements like one lipstick replaces 10 lipsticks or that it creates the perfect shade for everyone sound appealing, but beauty products rarely work perfectly for every person. These types of claims are often used mainly to attract attention and encourage quick purchases. Looking at the ingredients also raises some questions. The formula appears to contain common cosmetic ingredients like mineral oil, waxes, vitamin E, and moisturizing oils. These are very typical ingredients used in many regular lip balms and lipsticks, which means the formula may not be as unique as the advertising suggests. Another possible concern is the use of media logos on promotional pages. Some listings show logos of well-known fashion magazines or beauty publications, suggesting the product has been featured there. However, verified editorial coverage is often difficult to find, which can make these mentions questionable. Customer reviews can also be something to examine carefully. Some reviews appear overly positive, repetitive, or staged, and certain product images look heavily edited or reused across similar listings. Finally, similar color-changing lipsticks can often be found on wholesale marketplaces for just a few dollars. These products are sometimes rebranded and sold online for much higher prices, which suggests this could potentially be a drop-shipping product that has appeared under different brand names before. So, while the idea of a lipstick that magically creates your perfect shade sounds exciting, it's always a good idea to look past the marketing and understand what the product is actually offering. If you're considering buying something like this, take a moment to research the ingredients, check independent reviews, and compare similar products before making a decision.